In today's lesson, we're going to learn why small talk has a big importance when speaking English. First of all, what is small talk? When I ask that question, I normally get some of the following answers. Number one, here in Thailand, is a brand or a type of earphone. Number two, it's a way of speaking briefly for a short time. Number three, it's speaking using short words like in, on, or at. But really, it's none of those. So today we're going to learn what small talk is. Small talk is what we say at the very beginning of a conversation to put the other person at ease. It's like an icebreaker where we get the conversation moving in a friendly, non-confrontational manner. Because it sets the tone of the conversation, sets the mood of the conversation, it has a big importance in English, particularly in business English. Imagine a salesperson wants to sell something to a new customer. Good morning, my name's Mr. Badsell. Do you want to place an order now? It's too quick. It's too direct. He hasn't spent any time getting to know the customer. He needs to spend more time developing the conversation first before moving on to the business part of the conversation. Good morning. My name's Mr. Goodsell. I was just admiring your new offices. Have you been here long? How many staff work here? Something nice and easy that gets the conversation rolling. So small talk is big in business conversations, but we also use it in our daily conversations as well. Hi Chris, what's up? How are you finding the weather here in Bangkok? Hi John, it's too hot for me and the traffic is so bad. It took me 2 hours to get here. Yes, the rush hour lasts 24 hours in Bangkok. The big thing to remember about small talk is that we're talking about topics that are easy to talk about. Topics that everyone has an opinion on. Topics that no one is going to have an argument about, even if their opinion is slightly different. It's so hot today, isn't it? Yes, but I like the warm weather. England is much too cold now. It's too hot for me. I need to go to the shopping centre to get some aircon. Don't worry, you'll get used to it. And even if you don't, you'll have a chance to buy some souvenirs at the department store. So what topics are good for small talk? Well, I come from England and I think number one must be the weather. Why? Probably because it's so changeable. England can have 4 seasons in one day. It's too cold. It's raining. Did you get wet? They say it might snow later. Do you have to travel far? So number one in the chart, I think, the weather. Coming in at number 2, transport. What was the traffic like today? Did you find our office okay? How long was your journey? How did you come here today? Did you drive? And maybe number 3 in the chart of popular small talk topics, sport. People love to talk about sport. Did you see the game last night? Who do you think's going to win tonight? Who do you support? Do you play? Coming in at number 4. Very popular topic for small talk is TV or films. Did you see We've Got Talent last night? Have you seen the latest Marvel movie? And coming in at number 5, the news. Have you heard about the floods? Did you see the news about Bruno Mars coming? Apparently there's a lot of air pollution today. And bringing up the rear at number 6, talking about my country. What's your favourite local food? Have you visited the capital city yet? But remember, small talk should be about things that are easy to talk about and things that won't offend or upset people or cause an argument. So what topics aren't good for small talk? Well, anything that is private or personal or might cause an argument or a fight. So it's probably not best to talk about these topics. Number 1, money. Nice to meet you. How much is your salary? Appearance or looks? Why do you have such a big nose? Why are you so fat? Number 3, politics. Isn't Donald Trump a great president? Number 4, religion. Are you a Christian or a Muslim? And the last one I'll call sexuality, about relationships. Are you gay? All of these topics are private and personal. They're probably important to people. So don't use them, at least not until you know the person really, really well. So that was our lesson about small talk. As with every English lesson, try to use it in your daily life. Try to practice. It's the best way to learn. Thank you for watching. Look out for another video very soon. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you're working for a company in Bangkok, in Thailand, don't forget you can contact me for business English lessons at your offices. Thanks for watching. See you soon.